Trey Layne with the birds and the bees.
Restart.
What?
Trey Layne on.
Trey Layne on the birds and the bees. It'll be funnier!
What do you know about funny?
Well, me say, should I leave it on, would it be funnier? That was pretty funny, wasn't it?
I don't know. What do you think? Staying into your soul. Okay, this episode's about the birds and the bees. You see, for many of centuries, they've told a story. The single greatest story of mankind. The birds and the bees. The Great War between them. It all started about 19,000 BC, I think it was. There were the giant bees. They were red, orange, and green back then. And there were giant birds. Giant birds, yes. Giant birds that were half pterodactyl, half eagle. Half eagle! And it's just like they went into epic battles like the Lord of the Rings and stuff. Except for bees and stuff, and in the end, the war went on for centuries, and finally, I'm in jail. Let me out! Okay. Okay. And then, well, stop it. Stop it. Okay. And then, they needed a hero. A hero mighty enough to stop the Great War. And so a bee and a bird had sexual relations. And they created a bird, bee, eagle, pterodactyl, pig-like hybrid. And then that baby had sex with a elephant hippopotamus pig hybrid. And so then it created a bee, bird, hippo, elephant, pig thing, a hybrid called it. And it saved the day. It killed them all and then ate itself. Literally ate itself inside out. Outside in, I mean. I'm confused now. So basically that's the birds and the bees. Yeah. Tune in next episode. I'll talk about it'll be movie and video game review 1. These are fingers.
No, it won't.